Hi guys, so some of you may have seen from my recent community posts I was getting a little bit excited about this, and that's it. It's the Warhammer 40k kill team. And not being someone who just rushes into things, I waited at least, well, a good hour, maybe two, before jumping on Amazon and ordering this, and obviously it turned up, well, this morning. So this is just a quick sort of unboxing, having a little look inside, and well, basically teasing myself and getting even more excited about this. So yeah, what basically happened, guys, a few days ago I started watching some videos on Kill Team, because a few of you guys mentioned it in one of my recent live stream. I should go and take a look. So yeah, I did, and well, I loved it. Nice fast gameplay, something I do obviously like, as well as the fact that you don't need a big board to play this on. So I've obviously gone for this starter set, and obviously the main reason, well, several reasons really I guess, but obviously this one I really like because it's got these Orks. Lots of lovely little Orks, and I've not made Orks for quite some time. So I'm looking forward to assembling them and getting them painted. It also comes with some lovely terrain pieces, which is pretty cool. I probably will sort of 3D print some of my own, as well as obviously kit bashing, scratch bashing, and yeah, just making some from whatever I've got. Obviously it's got the bases here, but yeah, I don't like the bases. I like the clear bases, so I'll be using them. It comes with the floor mat, which is pretty cool. But again, I am looking at making my own one of these, which I can't wait to start doing. And obviously, just as importantly, it comes with, well, the rule book. So I've been watching a lot of videos recently about how to play the game, as well as other people that have played the game, and obviously they're sort of documenting or live videoing themselves playing, which is pretty awesome. So yeah, unwrapping this bad boy, obviously lovely little smell of it being nice and clean and new, which is always fun. So yeah, I'm going to read through that later, and say I think I'm going to play with my son playing this. He's only 9, but I'm sure we'll be able to sort of get through this. And there's a couple of guys that I've got in mind as well that might be interested in playing this. So yeah, I've got some people straight away, which is pretty cool. So can't wait to get the rules read, and yeah, get the pieces made up, painted, and get this bad boy started. So this starter set does literally come with everything you need to sort of get up and running and, well, play your first games. So it also comes with this booklet, which has all the stats on all the figures. So there's two teams in here. There's the Orks and there's the, well, we have ones that aren't Orks, basically. So yeah, obviously I love Orks, so I don't really care what the other ones are. So yeah, I'm going to look through the stats of the Orks. I'm going to do some kit bashing soon as well, because I love Judge Dredd. And I recently saw on Pinterest, as I recently, literally a few days ago, someone had converted some sort of space marines into like a team of judges, and well, they look pretty awesome. So I'm going to be doing that as well. Obviously, comes with plenty of little markers. These are pretty cool. Again, I probably will eventually be having to go making my own markers, whether they're 3D printed or scratch bashed. I'm not too sure. As well as obviously little stickers. So I've never used these stickers before. So it's going to be fun sort of putting these on the figures, because yeah, I've never kind of got that far with the figures. I've only ever painted them and then left them. I've never really made up my own sort of proper team. So obviously the book on how to make them, well, obviously the Orks are at the back, should be at the front, guys. Orks are very important. So yeah, I'm going to basically get these out, start assembling them and get these painted, because obviously when I do play the game, I really would like to play it well, with everything looking really nice. So yeah, I'm going to get these little bad boys out and get them painted. And this is one of the reasons that kind of got me into Warhammer, well, nearly 2 years ago now. Obviously not so much the gameplay, but the actual figures. These Games Workshop figures are very highly detailed and just awesome looking. And obviously this is kind of how I got really into the Ork side of things. So I'm looking forward to getting these off the Sprues, and obviously I love the Sprues as well. If you've seen some of my recent videos, I'm getting back into sprue builds, so having these extra sprues will certainly come in handy. And instead of just cutting all the bits out like I sort of generally do, this time I'm actually going to go through the booklet and cut the pieces out as I need them. Obviously because I want to assemble them as they're meant to look. And yeah, this is the one thing that I did forget about the LGW sprues, and that is their number situation. Please let me know in the comments, guys, if there is a method to their madness. As quite often you'll see numbers next to each other that certainly don't go up in any kind of order. So obviously I'm starting with this first guy, because why not start at the beginning and then make your way through. Yeah, so this is his body. Obviously I need his little leg, and well, his leg isn't really next to the body, which is obviously kind of weird. Anyway, I'm waffling now, guys. I'm going to crack on, get these bits assembled. It could take quite a while because like I want to do it properly. I will be painting these. I'm going to do that in a different video because there's a new technique of painting I want to try, and these are the perfect thing to try that on, as obviously I will be assembling all these figures and then painting them as a batch. So yeah, really looking forward to that. So guys, let me know in the comments if you play Kill Team, what kind of team you like playing, and what kind of scenery and things you'd like me to make for the Kill Team. And there's something else I will be making very shortly, and that's going to be a large sort of case that basically holds all the figures, probably 2 sets of figures, dice, all the terrain. But when you open up the case, you basically use that as the floor to play the game. So kind of like a chess set when you open that up, and obviously the checkered bits on the back and all the figures are in it. Yeah, that's what I'm going to have a go at making for this. And again, that's why I love this, the fact that it will fit on my desk. And yeah, it's a much faster play. Anyway, that's it guys. You all take care. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.